Welcome to Maths Bridge. We train and learn. We shall continue our C++ programming lab session. Let's get started. In today's lab, we shall cover how to determine size of each data type. Data. Data means the value which you are going to store in a variable. Alright. The value which you can store in the variable may vary. Can you sense? Let's say salary. Salary in the form of number. It can be a numerical, meaning digital or integer or decimal. Names is a string, isn't it, right? So your name should be in strings. My name, like ABC, should be in the form of string. String means a group of letters enclosed by double quotes, isn't it? A character array. So data can be different in nature. So you should be understanding what is the data that you are going to store in your variable and then how much memory that is required, because you have to tell to compiler to reserve a specified memory for you to store your value of the variable in the memory, isn't it? So how you are going to do that? Using data types. In the programmatic practice, we have various type of data types: built-in data types, derived data types, user-defined data types. Built-in data types, also known as primitive or fundamental data types, like integral, void, boolean, floating. Integral means integer and a character. Boolean means bool. Floating means float, double. Let's look at a derived data types: arrays, functions, pointers, references. These are all under derived data types. We also have user-defined data types like a class, structure, union, enum, type types. Along with this, we have a qualifier called a modifier. All these data types may be qualified as a signed, unsigned, long, short. Data types are used to tell the variables the type of data they can store. You agree? Whenever a variable is defined in C++, the compiler allocates some memory for that variable based on the data type with which it is declared. Every data type requires a different amount of memory. Point to be noted. The size of operator is an unary compile time operator which is used to determine the size of the variable or size of the data type. You can run the sample program to determine what is the size of each data type that you will be using in your program, like character, integer, long, double, isn't it? Let's run sample program and then see whether you will be getting the same results. Let's take a look at the sample program where I was trying to actually print the console message for each data type how much memory will be allocated. The size of each data type in bytes. As we see, as a basic data types, we have a character, bool, integer, long, float and double, right? The size of operator, as we discussed, will be used to determine how much memory will be allocated for each data type. The simple way to determine this, put the size of operator enclosed with data type, char, unsigned char, bool, unsigned int, things like that, right? So you will be seeing how much memory in bytes will be allocated for each data type. Let me compile this code. Let me run it. Here is an answer. You'll be seeing size of char is 1, size of all chars are 1, size of bool is also 1, size of int 4, size of short int, long int, unsigned long int, float, double. You see, make a one point be noted here is these sizes may vary from the platform to platform. Means like we have operating systems with various data types, depends upon the hardware, right? We have a 32-bit operating systems, we have a 64-bit operating system, things like that. No, the size of operating system, size of the data type may vary depending upon the platform that you're using, a combination of operating system and the hardware. That little variant you will be knowing when you are working on the the real platform of your target. Okay, let's consider one more example wherein I have an integer variable and I am trying to print size of my integer variable. What I would be doing, I can use size of operator enclosed for my variable size to determine. Similarly, the way we did it for integer, either I can use directly variable or the data type. In both cases, I should be able to see how much memory will be allocated for my data type. Let me compile this. Let me run this. I should be getting same value. Just look at size of integer variable is 4 bytes. Size of int also 4 bytes. This way it is easy for you to determine size of memory which you will be allocated for each data type in your program. Alright.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon and please leave the comment. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to the upcoming sessions.